Hello, awesome students. Welcome to English in Medicine 1. Today we are going to review simple present. As you already know, simple present is used to talk about routines and actions that are always true or true for a long time. Example: I study medicine. She works in a hospital. They have classes at the university every day. To make affirmative sentences for I, you, we, and they, we use the following formula. Subject plus verb in its base form.
Example: I work in a hospital every day. They drive an ambulance on weekends.
To make affirmative sentences for he, she, and it, we use the following formula. Subject plus verb in S form. Example:
Albita works night shifts in a hospital. Cecilia takes samples to pathology every day.
Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in parenthesis. Now check your answers. Cecilia Duran works in a restaurant. She says,
I start work at 7 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. on weekends. My children and I visit my mother in Salita.
To make negative sentences for I, we, you, and they, we use don't. Example: I don't arrive late. They don't work as paramedics. To make negative sentences for he, she, and it, we use doesn't. Example: Albita doesn't study accounting. It doesn't work well. It is out of order. Let's practice. Were your answers correct? I get up early in the morning, but I don't get up until 10 a.m. on weekends. Albita works in the obstetrics ward, but she doesn't like it. She prefers to work in the pediatrics ward.
Created using Powtoon.